Any user can go to our Search for Tutor website page and find the teacher who knows a specific textbook. The user may indicate the textbook title in the special search field. The search query retrieves the list of tutors who actually use the selected textbook in daily teaching. Therefore, if you want to increase your visibility on our website, make sure you activate the textbook titles in your personal profile. To do so, please go to the Profile settings, then proceed to the Textbooks tab. Select the titles only of those textbooks which you mastered well enough as a teacher. Please keep in mind that any discrepancy between your professional self-description and the actual teaching practice is likely to result in decreasing your overall ratings. In particular, if you indicate the textbooks which you do not know well enough, after a few lessons, your student may evaluate you with a lower grade for competency assessment criterion and share with the community a negative testimonial about your lessons. Therefore, you should indicate only those books which you know well enough.